Let's take a sneak peek of the Garden Treasures theme from Experience Curriculum. Prepare for a big month of learning and discovery. See what's in the box and how we're going to use it, and get inspired for a busy month of learning ahead. Let's take a look at the preschool, toddler, and baby kits. In this theme, children will plant a seed and watch it grow. They will wiggle like a worm with excitement as they greet garden visitors like rabbits and moles. Sing along with buzzing bees and pull out a carrot to make a tasty garden soup. Watch your children's curiosity grow throughout this springtime study. Here you can see the theme web for the month, including the 4 weekly themes and 20 daily topics. Our themes provide a well-rounded and inclusive study around each topic. Display this poster for the children and families to reference. Through playful learning and games, the following basic concepts will be introduced: the character trait respectful, the color pink and diamond shape, letters Y and F, numbers 17 and 18, the UG, OG word family, sight words little, like, and said, and the pattern AA, BB, CC. 4 preschool teacher guides organize your lessons for each week. Our teacher guides are beautiful and user-friendly. They are printed in full color and packed with information and pictures to guide you through each lesson. Every day, participate in circle time, a community challenge, creative art, math, literacy, story time, and music and movement. Your preschool box includes 2 original storybooks, Let Us Turn Up the Beat and the Forest Friends book, Bunny's New Toy. We also provide a suggested book list so you can gather additional theme-related storybooks to enjoy all month long. All the materials you need for circle time and classroom displays will be included in your box. This month's preschool album features rock-inspired children's music. Starting this month in May 2024, the preschool music albums will now be streaming only. CDs will no longer be included in your box. Our music is available for free on YouTube and member resources. You can also find our music streaming on Spotify, Amazon, and Apple Music. Visit member resources or our blog to bookmark your playlist now and enjoy music and movement activities every day. Take a look at just a few of the art, math, literacy, social emotional, and sensory activities planned for this month. There are lots more in the box.
Watch me grow, sometimes fast, sometimes very, very slow. Watch me grow, sometimes fast, sometimes very, very slow. I may be just a sprout, but I have no doubt I will grow, grow, grow. Watch me grow, sometimes fast, sometimes very, very slow. Watch me grow, sometimes fast, sometimes very, very slow. Sun and water is all I need to grow up from a tiny little seed. Yeah. Watch me grow, sometimes fast, sometimes very.
Set up these fun STEAM stations for hands-on learning. Look for 20 new STEAM stations each month. Toddlers grow with hands-on play and discovery. Let's take a look at what's coming up for toddlers this month. Basic concepts for toddlers include Y and F, number 9, flower yoga pose, colors pink and purple, the diamond shape, the character trait respectful, and 8 sign language words. Here is a sample of the group time display board for toddlers. This month's finger play poster features the Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary rhyme. There are 4 toddler teacher guides, one for each week. These 4 storybooks are included. Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary is a garden-themed rhyming board book. Let Us Turn Up the Beat features garden colors, counting, and corny jokes from the farm market. Our Garden Treasures Follow the Path book is a photo-based book that introduces concepts of print and new vocabulary to your toddlers. Bunny's New Toy teaches children what being respectful means. Toddlers will love moving and singing to the Garden Treasures album and listening to the audio stories. Toddler music will also only be available streaming. CDs will no longer be included in your toddler box. Our music is free on YouTube and member resources, as well as available on Spotify, Amazon, and Apple Music. Be sure to bookmark your playlist now from our blog or member resources to enjoy with music and movement activities every day. Toddlers will create daily art projects. Here's a preview of the activities and resources provided in the Garden Treasures toddler theme.
Flower, flower, blowing in the breeze. Flower, flower, blowing in the breeze. Flower, flower, blowing in the breeze. Flower, flower, blowing in the breeze.
Daily activities are garden themed for babies too, adding interest, new sounds, and experiences to their daily routines. The Experience Baby Infant curriculum supports her relationship based play and discovery all month long. Enjoy learning with Experience Curriculum. Don't have your box yet? It's not too late. Order now at experiencecurriculum.com.